Welcome to Module 6 of Style Pass, Employment, Chair Rental, and Business Basics. This module is your guide to understanding how to legally earn income as a barber or stylist in Canada, whether you choose to become an employee, rent a chair, or run your own business. Understanding these work models doesn't just help you stay compliant with tax laws, it also sets you up for long-term growth, independence, and financial security. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify the differences between working as an employee, renter, or independent business owner. Understand your tax and legal responsibilities in each model. Evaluate a fair rental agreement. Register your business properly and confidently pursue the best option for your career. The three work models in Canada. Let's break down the three most common work arrangements in Canada's beauty industry. First, employee. As an employee, you're hired by a salon or barber shop. The owner sets the hours, pricing, and services. You're paid a wage or commission, and the employer deducts your taxes, contributes to employment insurance, EI, and the Canada Pension Plan, CPP, may offer paid vacation, health benefits, or supplies. This is the easiest path to get started, especially for newcomers, because most of the paperwork is handled for you. Common employee roles include junior stylist or apprentice, full-time or part-time stylist, receptionist or assistant in training, second chair or booth renter. You rent a space inside a salon or barbershop and run your own business within it. You are not an employee, you are self-employed. This means you set your own schedule and prices, collect payment directly from clients, bring or use your own tools and products, file your own taxes, and pay for insurance. You pay a fixed weekly or monthly rental fee to the shop owner. Popular for mid-level to advanced barbers and stylists with a steady client base. Third, independent operator. You operate completely on your own. This could mean a mobile hairstyling service, a home-based salon, leasing a full commercial space, opening your own branded barbershop. You handle 100% of the business: branding, bookings, inventory, insurance, and taxes. This is the most flexible and the most responsibility. Tax and legal responsibilities. In Canada, employees have taxes deducted automatically, but chair renters and business owners are classified as self-employed. That means you're responsible for registering with a CRA for a business number, charging GST/HST if you earn over $30,000 annually, tracking income and expenses, filing self-employed tax returns, paying quarterly tax installments if required. Example, let's say you made $50,000 last year. You'd likely owe self-employment taxes and should keep 25 to 30% set aside. Chair rental agreements. If you're renting a chair, your rental agreement is one of your most important business tools. A fair contract should cover how much rent you pay and what's included, utilities products, whether it's weekly, monthly, or commission-based, who owns the client list, whether you handle your own bookings, the termination policy and deposit rules, your insurance requirements. Avoid agreements that dictate your schedule like an employee. Double dip with rent plus percentage, prevent you from leaving with your clients. What shop owners look for. Whether you're applying to work or rent a chair, first impressions matter. Here's what owners typically look for: clean, consistent work and a portfolio, proper certifications or legal status, great communication with clients, reliability and punctuality, a respectful, clean work area. Pro tip: bring a professional resume with photos of your work, client testimonials, and your certifications. This will show you're serious and ready to contribute to the business's success. Business registration and setup. Ready to start your own business? Here's what you'll need. Choose a business structure. Sole proprietorship, simplest. Corporation offers legal separation. Register your business name. If using anything besides your own legal name, apply for a CRA business number, used for tax filings in GST/HST. Open a separate business bank account. Keep personal and business finances separate. Get liability insurance. Covers you if a client gets hurt, equipment is damaged, or something goes wrong. Resources included: business registration step-by-step guide, CRA video walkthrough, insurance contact list, financial planning and deductions, One benefit of being self-employed, tax deductions. That means you only pay tax on what's left after business costs. Common deductions include tools, clippers, scissors, products, towels, gloves, booking software, phone bill, travel or vehicle use for mobile services, education, certifications, courses. Tip, track every expense. Use software like Wave, QuickBooks, or basic spreadsheet.
Common mistakes to avoid. Let's save you time, stress, and fines by avoiding common mistakes. Working cash only without tracking income.
Charging HST without registering, not having a written rental agreement, mixing personal and business money, not saving for tax season. Be proactive, stay legal, build a brand others trust. Recap, your path, your power. Here's what we covered in Module 6. 3 work models: employee, chair renter, owner, legal, tax, and business duties for each. What to include and avoid in a rental agreement.
How to impress shop owners and clients.
Steps to legally register and run your business. What to deduct and how to stay financially organized. You now have the knowledge and tools to confidently choose your path in the Canadian beauty industry. Closing, you're not just a worker. Whether you're picking up your first Canadian client, reviewing a rental contract, or opening your own barbershop, remember, you're not just a worker. You're a professional, you're a business, you're the brand. Make smart choices, stay compliant, and grow your career.